difference with the Series 65. This is, I think, the old one, and this one to cover off, and this one, I think this is the new, and this is the old. And this one. And this one. There's another difference. You know when it says paint here. And on this one, it doesn't say paint there. And instead it says paint there and here. And on the back, the other one has a bit more coating. And